Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to be sharing with you 3 looks of these premium curly chiffon chair cover caps with sashes that are perfect for weddings and special events. When you receive your sash, it's going to come in 2 separate packs. One of the packs is going to have the curly sash, this beautiful ruffled chiffon that's about 32 inches long. The second pack is going to have a really wide sash, and that's the cap part of this set. The cap is about 6.5 feet long and 1.8 feet wide, so it's going to go over most chair designs that are out there. This is optional, but you can absolutely steam this chiffon chair sash, especially the wide cap, to get rid of any wrinkles or folds. Our first look is going to be with a folding chair. This is in a beautiful purple color. Now, you can use this look with a chair cover already on the chair or without. It's just personal preference. So to start off, you're going to put that extra wide chair sash, the cap part, over the chair, and the trick here is to keep the fabric taut. So then bring the 2 sides together, and you're going to want to do a knot. Just a simple knot will work, nothing fancy here. Once you have that tied, you can just let the strands hang. Once that knot is secure, we're going to take the curly ruffles and tuck them in behind the knot. So as you can see, we're bringing those ruffles through, and that creates a loop that you're going to go ahead and put the strands through. And as you can see, we pull them away from each other, and this is going to help secure the ruffles to that top cap sash. Then go ahead and arrange the ruffles, and you're not going to need to pin anything. You're not going to worry about it during the ceremony, and that's it. Moving on to look number 2, we're going to be using a Chiavari chair. And again, you can use this look with other chair types. You might just have to modify it a little bit. So just like with look number 1, we're going to throw that wide cap over the chair top and pull the 2 sides together. Here we're using our lavender sash. So just like with look number 1, the trick is to keep the fabric tight. And instead of doing a double knot like in the first look, we're going to use a clear hair elastic. You can get these at Target. Most craft stores will have them even online, and just secure the sash that way. Then you want to grab a sash buckle pin or a simple pin and just pin the curly tail to the top cap. Once that's done, you just adjust the ruffles. This look is perfect for the head table or the sweetheart table. It's just going to look gorgeous. And if you don't want to use the sash pin, you don't have to. You can secure it just like we did in the first look, and instead use silk flowers or greenery in the back. For the third look, we're going to go with something a little bit different. We're going to be creating this beautiful tutu look, and you don't need any sewing experience. It's very simple. Go ahead and take that wide cap over the top of the chair, just like in the previous designs. In this case though, you don't have to keep it tight. You just have to make sure that it's kind of even on both sides, and then you're going to loop the sides through that top bar. Again, if you have a different chair or different design, you can still use this look as long as it has that top bar. The other option that you have is to do this next part on a ribbon and then just tie the ribbon to the back of the chair. So go ahead and grab the curly sash and untie the knot, and then separate all the strands. There's going to be about 5 or 6 strands total, and you want to take each one and loop it over that top bar of the chair. Again, you can do this on a ribbon instead, and then just tie the ribbon to the back of the chair. This is similar to a tutu skirt look that we did for a costume. We'll go ahead and link that video. And the great thing about this look is you could absolutely customize it with even more fabric and even more ribbons. And here, because we are going to be seeing more of those curly sashes, we went ahead and used a fabric steamer just on that top part to make it look more put together. And that's it, you're done. And I just love this amethyst color. It's so gorgeous and romantic. We do have other colors available on our website. Go ahead and check the link in the description or in the cards and choose the one that best matches your event colors. So there you go. Those are your 3 looks. Obviously, the look that you go for will depend on the kind of chair that you have or how many guests you're inviting. If you have a very large party, then maybe you just want to use these chair sashes for maybe the head table or the sweetheart table, because if you have, let's say, 300 of these, you are going to need some extra help. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give us a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.